STD and the differential pressure controller STAP. So the manual balancing valve STD is always on the supply of the branch, and the differential pressure controller STP is always on the return of the branch. If you look at the body of this valve, it doesn't have any arrow to indicate the flow direction, so you can install it both directions. In this installation right here, you are not including the pressure drop of this manual balancing valve inside of the differential pressure range that you are controlling with the STP. If you install this valve backwards, you're including the pressure drop of the manual balancing valve inside of the range of the differential pressure controller that you have on the return. I was looking at the differential pressure controller. There is a DP range that we can adjust, so you can take the decision if you want to install this way or backwards. So after the installation is done, so you have your manual balancing valve and you have your differential pressure controller STP on the line. The first thing that you need to do is connect your capillary tube between the two valves. And on the round painted board of the manual balancing valve, you need to use the 5mm LED and open this painted board. You can open all the way through, the painted board is not coming out. But when you do that, the water starts coming from the STD and passing through the capillary tube and going to the STP on the return. So here's the hard stop. I cannot open more than that. So now I have water passing through the capillary tube. The capillary tube connection of the STP should always be on the lower part of the STP, so I'm able to vent the valve with the higher screw that I have on the valve. So this valve could be installed in any direction, in a horizontal pipe, in a vertical pipe. And one feature that we have on this valve to make it easier on that, you can rotate the whole bonnet to make it easier the installation, and always have the venting screw on the highest point. After the installation is done and you open the PT port and you're venting the valve, now you need to go for the setting of the valve. To make the setting and adjust the flow, you do need a 3mm Allen key. And you do need to connect on this part of the STP. Clockwise will increase the flow and counterclockwise will decrease the flow. Another part that is important to explain is red knob of the valve. It is just for shut-off purpose, so it should not be used for balancing purpose. So you can fully close this part of the valve, and we have the zero flow. And when you open back, it should open all the way through. So now it's fully open, and I have my design flow in my coils.